Welcome to Intro to Networking. This video is to help you get started in the class, how to get your access code, and how to complete your assignments. I'm going to go over here to modules. And you're going to start at the very top module, which will be student resources. You're going to read through each page. You're going to get to course information, read through each page. You're going to come right here to this final exam instructions and study guide. Do not skip this. It's super important. It says important next to it. This is the study guide for your final. The reason it is put at the beginning of your course is so that you can print this out. You can save it by downloading it right here as a Word document, and you can be filling this out as you go through your assigned chapters. Okay, you'll finish this module. You're going to come to CompTIA CertMaster Purchase, Access, and Support. You should buy the access code from our bookstore. It is the least expensive place to purchase the code this semester. Once you get the code, once you get your access code, you're going to come back to this course. You're going to come back to this module, and right here where it says link to CertMaster course, you're going to click on that. It is going to take you into CompTIA CertMaster. Before it lets you into the course, it's going to ask for that access code. That's where you enter that at. Here you have some support and troubleshooting tools. And then you have your assigned modules or chapters. You do have 10 modules assigned, but notice that this is module 1, 2, 3, 4, then it skips to 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, and 14. And then, of course, your final. This is the assigned modules here. This is all that's assigned for this course, and I will show you what that means in a second. All right, so I'm going to open up module 1, and you can see that in module 1, not all sections are assigned. To find out what sections are assigned for this module, you're going to click in the overview. And you can see right here at the very bottom that you need to do sections 1, 2, and 3, and then complete the quiz. Make sure that you always come back to this course and click on this link to complete your quizzes. There's another quiz in the CertMaster course, but that is not assigned. You can see here, these are the assignments. These are the assignments that you're going to get graded for in your CertMaster course in those sections. I'm going to click here to link to the CertMaster course. Okay, here's your CertMaster course, Network Plus, CertMaster Learn. We're going to click the outline here, and this shows you the modules that are in this course. We use a third-party web-based program. You don't have a book. This is your book for this course. And you can see that there are 14 chapters, but remember, in our Canvas course, I do not have you doing 14 chapters. I have you doing 10. So make sure that you only do the chapters that are assigned. All right, I'm going to open up chapter 1 here, module 1, and you can see that there are 1, 1, 2, 3, and then you have actually 4 sections here, and then a quiz. Remember that in Canvas, I'm going to pop back over here. In Canvas, you only are assigned the first 3. So what you're going to do is you are going to start at the top and start going through the information here up through section 3. You are not going to do section 4, and you are not going to do the quiz here. This quiz is the quiz for all these sections. The quiz that I have you doing in Canvas only has questions from the first 3 sections that you're assigned. All right, how you're going to go through these sections is you're just going to start at the top, and here we are for introduction. And before we get started, know that you can copy the information on this page. You can print it if you like. You can also bookmark it. Here is your next page button. So you can click through here. You read the information. Again, this is your book for this course. Do not skip these pages. These are text. It's text. Sometimes there'll be videos. Sometimes there'll be demonstrations. But read through this information. This is where that final study guide comes into play. You will find the answers to that study guide in these pages in each of your sections. So make sure, do not skip this. All right, I'm not going to go through each of these pages. You can see here by this symbol that it is a text page. And then you get to this, looks like a pencil and a piece of paper. That's an assignment, and that's going to ask you some questions regarding the information that you learned here. You should go through the questions, and you can take this as many times as you want to get a perfect score and to help you study. Then you'll come to a lab, and I will be creating another video that explains how to complete the labs. But here's the labs, and here is lesson review. The only assignments that you get graded for in going through these modules are the questions, the lesson reviews, and the labs. You don't get graded for going through the text, but you need to go through that text to be able to answer this and to complete your quizzes and your final. Once you complete these assignments, your grade will automatically sync over to our Canvas, your Canvas grades over on the side here. And again, this is the module quiz that you should click on from within this course. Thank you.